Today's video is going to walk you through the basic features of the MS3C 300TS, also known as the MS3C 330MC, our manual evacuation stair chair. The manual unit is designed as an evacuation vehicle in case of a fire, power failure, or any other emergency. This unit is used in assisting individuals in descending flights of stairs. The tracks do not go in reverse, so you will not be able to ascend stairs. This video will demonstrate all of the features and basic operations of the unit. We strongly urge you to test this unit without a passenger before any emergency. Although this chair can be used with one operator, we strongly recommend you use two when available. This unit is made of aluminum alloy and has a weight capacity of 400 pounds. Let's go over the basic features. The manual chair comes standard with locking casters. To lock the caster, you will push the bottom tab located on top of the wheel. To unlock, you will press the top tab. In order to use this unit on a staircase, you will need to engage the tracks. To engage the tracks, you will push the red lever located at the back of the chair. The tracks will automatically engage and lock into place. To close the tracks, you will push the red bar located at the back of the chair and close. This unit comes with locking push handles. To lock them, simply lift. To unlock, you'll push the red tab and lower. This unit comes with an ergonomically correct telescoping handlebar. This will need to be extended in the full upright position when using it on a staircase. To extend this, you will squeeze the red bar that's located horizontally across the back of the chair and lift. To lower this, you will squeeze the same red bar. This unit comes standard with a patient headrest. To install the headrest, you'll need to extend the telescoping handlebar to the full upright position. Install the headrest along the uprights. The unit also comes with patient assist handles. These handles lift and lower on their own. The unit also comes with a 5-point harness as well as a leg harness. The footrest has been extended for passenger comfort. The seat covers are made of neoprene and they are removable so you can wash them. Once you are ready to close and store the unit, you will need to collapse all of the handrails. Reach under the seat and grab the red lever and pull. The chair will automatically close. Make sure that the casters are turned in so that the unit can lock into place. This unit also has a safety lock. When you receive the unit, it will be in the locked position. To unlock it, there's a black knob located above the seat. You will pull this and pull the chair open. Now that you know all of the basic features, you're ready to use the unit on a staircase. The first thing you will do is lock the rear casters. Assist your passenger into the seat and buckle their seat belts as well as their leg straps if needed. The next thing you will do is extend the telescoping handrail. Unlock your casters, engage the tracks, and back the unit up to the staircase. Now you're ready to tilt the unit and descend the flight of stairs. The unit will automatically go down the stairs using gravity. Stay tuned for a short video. As always, MS3C would like to thank you for your continued support and business. If you have any additional questions, please feel free to call us directly. Be sure to check out our other evacuation stair chairs, as well as our emergency transportation units.
One of the things that I'd like to point out, in order to ensure greater safety, first of all, you need to constantly, to ensure greater safety during the descent, you need to make sure that the tracks are properly tightened. You can do so with an Allen wrench, which is provided with the unit, or you can buy your own set of Allen wrenches in the matrix sizes. You can turn clockwise to tighten and adjust the tension on the track on both sides. Make sure the tension is equal. Best way to do it is to go tight on both sides and then counterclockwise turn or half a turn, depending on the tension required. When transferring larger individuals, this will also help and provide counter traction when you're going down the stairs. With that said, we'd also like to point out that two individuals should be absolutely used whenever possible. One of the individuals will be at the top with the extension bar fully upright, And the second individual can be assisting from the bottom. You can do so by hitting the red button and extending the extension handles. So when going down the stairs, one person's at the bottom, one person at the top. The individual is safely strapped in. Thank you. Once the patient has been properly seated, make sure the restraining device is on. That includes the shoulder straps, the waist strap, and if necessary, the foot strap. Go ahead and extend the bar, adjust the headrest, and hit the red lever to release the tracks. Once the tracks are engaged, bring the individual as close as you can to the staircase. Tilt the unit by pulling it towards you and walk it to the first stair, and then allow the chair to navigate down. Slowly walk them to the bottom. Once at the bottom, bring the chair upright and turn to proceed further.